Hi guys, it's me, Toytoxy Jaden Rick here, or Toytoxy Jaden slash FNAF Rick here, or Toytoxy FNAF here. I'm just telling you that you don't know that Alexa can do different kind of modes and everything else, or different things that kind of creep me out, or kind of weird. If you think it's weird, comment below. But I changed the Alexa word not to the wake up word. I wake up word to the, the AMZEN, or Amazon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'll show you what I can do further. Let's just get to it. Alexa, Amazon. Meow. You can become a cat if you meow. If you wolf.
Sorry, I don't understand. I usually meow pretty good though. Should I meow some more?
Maybe.
To hear a random meow from your meow library, say meow.
I never downloaded it. I never downloaded it.
Say what can I buy? To list the products you have already purchased, say what have I bought?
Wolf.
To hear a random meow from your meow library, say meow.
Amazon.
To hear?
Wolf.
To hear a random meow from your meow library,
Amazon.
say meow.
Cancel.
Roger, over and meowed.
Get it? I don't get it at all. Amazon. Bark, bark.
Because you use Jurassic Bark, Amazon recommends another popular pets and animals.
I haven't downloaded any pets at all.
Food, walks, and more. Want to try it?
Sure, I guess. Amazon. Walk my dog.
I think that Bark Like a Dog may be able to help with that. Want to try it?
Sure.
Okay, here's Bark Like a Dog. That was my Siberian Husky. Shall we do it again?
Different one.
Here comes a dachshund.
I guess I just able the skills, which I didn't mean to. Which I didn't ever have any skills ever able.
Should we keep going?
No.
Okay, thanks for visiting my channel today.
Amazon. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Sorry, I don't know.
That's one thing Alexa she can do. So see you guys. I just want to tell you that quick fact. I never know before Alexa can do that. Make a dog noise, cat noise. I don't know if it can make a parrot noise. Amazon. Can't do it. Nope. Alexa, Amazon. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Does that work?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Nope. Okay, only dog and cat noise. So see you guys.